what's up? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Now, I know that coronavirus has got us doing online classes and all that stuff, and if you use Zoom, then this is a perfect video for you. So the first site you're going to head over to is snappa.com. Once you get there, you'll see that Snappa has many templates. So all you have to do is scroll down to headers and banners, and then you see Zoom virtual background. Once you click that, you'll have a lot of featured templates, which these things are all really good, but if you want to make your own, you should definitely press create from scratch. Of course, you can press create from scratch and create your own virtual background. This one, or this one are all good virtual backgrounds, or you can try going for something like this. A cool one is this one, which makes it seem like you're on a boat. You can customize it by adding some text. You can add like many different texts. To actually get this virtual background, you can screenshot only this section, or you could press download high resolution PNG. Then again, you probably should screenshot it because you can only download 3 times from Snappa each month. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!